show you the private part, uh, and then you can add it if you want to in your public method. But basically, I want to make I want to explain this to you because before I didn't quite understand it, but I talked to Michael and he gave me a pretty good explanation. So basically, you have this boolean here, and it's going to equal true or false. And now by default, it's going to equal true in the beginning here. So if this here is true, then this here gets executed. So basically, um, that's pretty much it. And then we set this, we do this put beeper here, and then we set this boolean value to false, and that's it. And that's all that happens. And then next time around, if did not drop beeper is true, which is not the case because we set it to false right here, then this does not get executed, but then this here gets executed. Did not drop beeper uh, equals true because if this here is not true, which it wasn't, else this happens. So now we set it to true. So now next time around, if did not drop beeper is true, which it is because we set it to true, then this happens, and so on. So basically, this allows us to put the beeper down every other time this gets executed. And let me show you something else. The same exact method can be written this way. Same thing except the else we took out. So if the not drop beeper is true, put beeper. And then afterwards, to not drop beeper is the opposite, which is false. But let's just say for now it's the opposite. And the next time around, if the not drop beeper, that's not going to get executed because it was false. And now we're doing the opposite. Did not drop beeper is being set to the opposite value, and then so on. This is a way to write it in both Java and also in Objective-C. I did a better job explaining the first one, but I think this should also make sense. So if this here is true, put a beeper, and then always afterwards the opposite happens. This here is set to the opposite Boolean value. Okay, I hope that helps, man.